Okay. Ek kan my phone hou.
Jy moet die foon I know it's unreal.
You know. Anyway. So what I like to do is when I get home, well not even just when I get home, when I'm done, like completely done with the day, I take my earphones out and I listen to music. It can be any type of music. It doesn't have to be sad, happy, whatever. Like my favorite is Ariana Grande. I'm okay for that. So I like to listen to music I can't do anything without listening to music. I feel like that's my way of like unwinding. Also, another thing that I like to do is I go home, and especially after emotional scenes, especially that, I speak to my mother about it. Or like my mother, my auntie, and my cousin, like in the kitchen, where I have like a red table talk, say like that.
Yeah.
And it was so then I will just be like, I will go on and on. They don't even stop me. I will just talk about the scenes, like, yo, I had to do this, and this is how I acted, this is how my state was, and it helps me, man, to talk about it.
Absolutely.
Instead of me just going to my room and be like, yo,
sitting with it.
Okay, I now did this.
Because what people don't realize is whether it's even emotion is emotion, whether it's happy, sad or angry, emotion is emotion. En daar's altyd 'n residue wat agterbly wanneer jy jou dag klaar gemaak het. Daar's altyd 'n residue wat agterbly. You always take a little bit with you back home, verstaan jy? En wat jy doen is so wonderlik, en ons noem daai emotional detox, you know. Or like where you just like wat jy net praat. Ja, anders gaan jy mal. Want ek dink wat belangrik is jy moet verstaan jou realiteit in die karakter se realiteit. Wat ons doen is not real. Dit is hoekom dit acting genoem word. This is not real, en dit is belangrik om te verstaan.
Even like another thing showed me, like even like being in the character's clothes, the once you get out of it, it's like, okay, I'm not that person anymore. I'm in my own clothes.
Precies.
I feel myself again.
Yes.
That for me is also a big thing. Like,
en ons gaan vir julle, ons sal weer 'n videoetjie doen rondom wardrobe, saam met ons wardrobe mense. Net dat julle kan sien regtig wat die proses was, toe ons karakters begin bou het, en hoe ons is 'n span as dit kom by Skemergrond. Ons almal werk intrinsically saam met mekaar. Ons werk baie close met ons make-up en ons wardrobe, ons design met mekaar, 'n spanpoging. Talia, ek wil vir jou, Talia, sy's my baba. Baie dankie vir dit. Yes, ja. Ons gaan met Hazel ook nou nog praat.
En mams.
Carmen Marmon wat Hazel speel, en dan sal ek maar hoor of Hildegard ietsie wil sê.
Mami moet.
Baie dankie julle, en dankie vir die vragie, né?